Today, we'll be discussing the amazing benefits of bananas, a delicious and nutritious fruit that's perfect for mornings of racing or when you just need a pick-me-up. So let's dive into the incredible powers of this tropical treat. First and foremost, bananas are packed with potassium, making them an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Potassium helps maintain a healthy blood pressure and supports proper muscle function. Plus, it can help you feel fuller for longer, which is great for those trying to control their calorie intake. But wait, there's more. Bananas are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. This makes them an excellent choice for boosting your immune system, fighting inflammation, and promoting overall health. Did you know that bananas also contain tryptophan, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate sleep? That's right, eating a banana before bed can actually help you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful nights. So if you're struggling with insomnia, this could be your new best friend. Finally, bananas are rich in fiber, which can help improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. This makes them a fantastic addition to a healthy diet, especially for those with digestive issues or a desire for increased fullness. There you have it, the benefits of a delicious and nutritious banana. So, the next time you're craving a tropical treat or simply looking to incorporate more nutrients into your day, remember to grab a banana. Happy eating!